Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix FNB SA cannot transfer money. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings and switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. If the issue still persists, head over to settings on your device, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, head over to the search bar and then search for the app which is FNB SA. Simply type in FNB on your device, head over to storage and cache, clear the cache of FNB and try again. If the issue still persists, then head over to your app drawer, search for FNB inside your app drawer, open up FNB on your device. Here you must log into your account and make sure that the KYC is verified. You must also make sure that you have enough funds in your account, and you must also make sure that you have no transaction limit set on your account. If all these three things check out and you still cannot transfer, then what you must do is head over to your app drawer, search for the app inside your app drawer, long press on it, uninstall it on your device, reinstall it from the Play Store and try again. And if the issue still persists, you must contact support for further assistance. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.